Morning, Monday. Made it through another weekend. All we got, doing a little bit more welding up on that pillar, door pillar, and working on my door seam. Just got done welding all this up, getting ready to grind it back down, get it looking good, get these door gaps right. That's what we're hitting today, concentrating on today. Trying to get these doors lined out some more. It ain't looking too bad. We'll get that all dressed up. Straighten that back up. This is all looking good. I like it okay. We'll keep getting it. See you in a bit. Later.